Rob Stone, 2 damn phones, Babylons can't crack the code. Used to sip out styrofoam, but figured I should stick to dro. Backwoods overload, don't like to smoke them.
Please like, subscribe to my channel, and click on bell icon besides subscribe button to never miss out any updates from this channel.
Hello guys, today I'm going to show you 8 best apps which normal users can also find it useful, and maybe web developer, Android developer, or maybe web designers, Android UI designers can also find it useful. So let's start. It's Fuyu. This app has many awesome features. This app can help you to switch any other app with just a little drag. You can take a full screenshot and also can take screenshot of specific area as per your requirement. As well as you can search a selected screenshot or cropped image directly in Google search. Same goes to text. You just need to select the text from the screen, then the text will be traced and directly you can search that text in Google by just clicking on a Google button. It also has awesome feature which enables you to record the mobile screen activity in 180p screen resolution. And the most important feature is that you can crop the screen and record the selected area of the screen. That is, you can record the screen in whichever selected area you want to record. The next feature is you can have an access on text which you have earlier copied and overridden by current copied text. And also you can hide the floating button of Fuyu from your screen. That's it for this app. Moving on to our next app, which is Photomath. This app has very unique feature which enables you to take a scan of your written sum by camera. You just need to write the equation or a sum in a page and just scan that with this app, and app will find the answer for you directly. Next feature of this app is you can edit that scan sum and can change the number in the sum or equation and find the answer. You can also mark it as a favorite by just clicking on star button, and it will be saved in notebook tab. You can also have access of early solved and scan sum in solution tab. That's it for this app. Moving on to our next app, which is called Adobe Scan. This app enables you to scan document or written notes. This app has a feature which any other scanning app don't have, is auto capture mode. It captures your document image automatically, and then you can directly rename that document and save it in PDF form. And the most required feature in this app is your documents are free of watermark. That is, the app name won't appear in the corners of each and every document's page. That's it for this app.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Moving on to our next app, which is Programming Hub. This app is mostly recommended for programmers and web developers. This app is made for learning whichever programming language you want to learn. You just need to download the course you want and get started for learning. In course section, you can learn basic topic of that language. In example program section, you can find any example of a program or code you want to learn, and also the output of the program is displayed below in the code. The compiler section has the most amazing feature which any other programming learning app won't have, is writing the code and compiling it directly in app. No need to write any running code, that is javac filename.java and java file name. Just click on the run button and the app will run your code directly. And if there is any input you want to provide, then write in the text box your input and click on run button, and your code will be run perfectly. That's it for this app. Moving on to our next app, which is TimeCalc. I use this app mostly, so found it useful, so including this app in my favorite list. This app helps you to calculate the time, that is, you can do various operations plus, minus, multiplication, division, and can calculate time. You can also calculate time in AM or PM, and also in hours, 24 hours module. That's it for this app. Moving on to our next app, which is APK Editor, which is very much important and useful for Android developer and web designer or app UI designer. Sometimes when you are creating your app and want to add image or button style which is not present in a Google search, and you know that image or style is there in any of your installed app, you just need to click on select APK from app and then select your app from where you want to extract your required image or style. Then click on full edit, then you will be entered in area where res, that is resources file of the app, is present. In string tab you can find all the string created in that app. In file tab all the drawables file and XML style sheet will be present. In the manifest section you can find all the code written in manifest of that app. If you want to extract any file or image, just select them from the file tab and click on extract, then save it and done. If you want to make changes in any app, you can do so, but I haven't yet tried that feature, so can't say much about it. That's it for this app. Moving on to our next app, which is AZ Screen Recorder. This app enables you to record your screen. The most awesome feature this app has is you can record your app screen in 1920p resolution. This app also has feature of face display while recording the screen, but it's in premium version of this app. The next feature of this app has is touch display, which displays a trace of touch whenever we do any activity on screen. You can also take a screenshot. And the most amazing feature of this app is displaying your logo or name on the screen while recording your screen. That's it for this app. Moving on to our last app, which is GIF Maker GIF Editor. This app can convert your video to GIF and you can save that in nice quality. You can also customize your GIF and edit it. You can reduce the frame of the GIF and can also add any external image or GIF in current GIF. You can also create a GIF of any image. That's it for this app.
Big Dog.